Uno no see what take place in a Jamaica yesterday. KFC turned 50 and Jamaicans not tap celebrate like I say a grand gala. Listen man, me swear say if you never know, you would have think it was Independence Day. KFC reached 50 years old and Jamaican people then turn up. You would have believed say Colonel Sandals was Miss Lou cousin. No man, I don't lie me I tell. From as early as Kakakroa, people in a long line with them picnic by the inside. A camp out like I say, them a try get visa for America. One woman say she skip church, work, and even funeral to get the deal. Then another man him a say how and wife birthday, but him have to celebrate with Colonel Sandals fi get the deal. Even the school picnic them, where fi in a school I learn them lesson. Them out there, I put them their honey in a here and I jump on a prawns. We want chicken. And near you know say, Jamaican people can be very dramatic. Yes, and I lie me I tell, the little girl them in the road and them a dance and them a jig up them kin just for KFC. Papa Jesus, you know, sister, they use KFC for tie some Jamaican people. And me happy say some, you know, because some people don't even give a hoots or a 2 cent about KFC. Them prefer to turn their yard and fry then chicken and yam it. Me I tell you, if Jamaica ever lose KFC, we might have to call a national day of mourning. Allow me I tell my people.